This is the fresh food market in Sanhoi. We got a lot of fish. Apparently they're very fresh. Prawns, everything. Veg. Anything. And they're all very cheap compared to Australia. All very cheap. And it is very crowded. About 6 p.m. right now.
係什麼嘢？
I don't know how to pick and choose. Got no clue. I'm just walking around. Abalone.
想食乜嘢？食翻成隻。
So let's see. They put it back into the water because they're like dying. That's why they change it. They change it. The dying one put back into the water, and the live one put it up. So people see that they are very energetic. Then they pick it. Wow, look at that. So they killed it for $80. So like $16, huh? She's killing it, skinning, removing all the fins. We're waiting for her to kill. Hard work it is. You see all the fish, they're still jumping. $20 for this. Oh, bloody fish.點解佢又找俾你？
整一個。喺呢度咧20蚊半斤啊！
So you can compare the price. Inside is a bit more expensive.
先春解葱係2蚊呢個衫。
That was $2 outside, but here is $3 for this. So you can compare and choose a better one.
係買打邊爐嗰啲嘢㗎啦，家飄啦。
This is good for hot pot. They're all very cheap. Just $2 here. Look, $2. 10 divided by 5 is $2. That is the soup base. $20. So $4.
嗰啲一串串都係嘅豆腐嚟嘅。
咁遠呢？ You can get this one for hot pot. 幾錢啊
？30蚊一磅到啦。
Everything is so cheap. But restaurants, they're very expensive. So you better buy and cook by yourself. See here? Fresh food market. You have to put your bag in front of yourself, otherwise people steal from you. Look at this, very traditional Chinese food. How am I gonna walk through it? Everyone just stuck in the middle of the path. Okay, that's it for my adventure here. We're going to cook at home.